Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can merge your video with your audio in CapCut PC. So to do that, you're just going to grab your video like so, and you're going to also grab your audio and put it here. You can also find a lot of songs and audios from this audio tab here. They also have sound effects as well that you can add to your video, like this typing on keyboard or whatever. Maybe you want to find like a more nature sound effect, you can for this like video. Sound of nature, select it and add it to your video. Add it to the timeline, sorry. Then select both the video and audio. You can select more than one video and audio. Right click, create compound clip, and it's going to merge the video with the audio like so. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!